we have seen that we can only combine terms of the same kind. We can add or subtract A terms or B terms, for example, but we cannot combine the A terms and B terms together. So if the answer is 2A plus 3B, we cannot add 2A and 3B because they are different types of terms. Now, let's say we have 3x squared plus 5x squared. That means that we have x squared 3 times and also x squared 5 times. So in total we have 8x squared. We just add the coefficients. Now similarly, in this expression, we can combine the AB terms and the BC terms because they are the same type, and the answer is 8AB plus 3BC. So let's say we want to simplify this big expression. Here there are 3 different types of terms: x squared, x and units. So the answer is 12x squared plus 11x plus 1. If you want to get full benefit of this course, then do the practice sheet of this lesson before moving on to the next lesson.